The smallest size ice cream. Damn, it that melts. Shit. All the time. The whole like melt and I run over, Wendy. I don't hear you. What may I eat? Look, ice cream. Hey! You let me stress out on nobody chest. Whew, it's so freaking hot. So yesterday my friend I asked her to buy me a Red Bull and she accidentally picked up a Red Bull blueberry, and when I tell you that shit is so freaking good, like it's so bomb. Like I was not expecting it to be that good. I was low-key mad because I really wanted a Red Bull, but this is way better. I had to get it again today because it's really good. Y'all, I'm so sorry because I went on the road and totally forgot that I had brought my camera. But I went to the mall because I had to get some stuff for Madison because my godson is having a dinner. I went to Old Navy and H&M, and then I went to the grocery store. I kind of stopped at Target and I came out with one thing, y'all. One thing. And that's a 2-pack toothpaste. That's it. That is it. I've had to call my best friend like, girl, look at this. Like, who am I? Like, I'm loving the new Shakera. And that's not even what I went for. But while I was in there, I didn't get what I went for. And I remember that I needed toothpaste. So I picked that up. I just came back from the grocery store. It's like almost 10 o'clock. And I'm shuffling up some quick dinner because I'm hungry. And I don't feel like buying food. I bought food yesterday and the day before. I'm tired of buying food. So yeah, and I think tomorrow I'm gonna cook some salmon. I don't know, I haven't had it in a while, so I had to come show y'all so y'all don't think I'm lying. Like, I dead ass got only toothpaste.
Roll another one. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, get it. Yeah. I said I feel it.
So tonight when I'm with my friend and her son, because today's his birthday, my godson, I do not recommend dressing up nice going out with kids because it's gonna get real ugly. And I didn't even get no pictures or anything. Like, we barely ate her food because it was a lot. It was a lot. Hey guys, I just got back from the movie and I totally forgot to bring that with me. Like, I'm so freaking mad. And normally I go to the AMC theaters, but this time I went to the Regal. My sister put me on, and that's my new spot from now on because they had a recliner chair. Like, bitch, I feel like I was home, you know, relaxing, chilling. Like, I could have been asleep. And I'm not one to sleep in the movies, but for those who like to sleep, that would have been the best place to go. But I really enjoyed the movie. I watched Transformers. I don't remember if I said that. I watched Transformers. I honestly give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah, mixed feelings. It's not bad, but it's not the greatest. And also I did makeup because I went on a solo movie date. It wasn't just a date with myself. Was in a different country, was also at the movies. So we kind of book a time that would align with our time difference, so it would make sense. So basically our movies start at the same time, and mine's kind of ended like maybe 10 minutes earlier than his because he has intermission. It was cool. I really enjoyed it, but the movie theater really got me in a chokehold. Like, that's legit gonna be my new spot. And I think the next movie I'm gonna watch is Flash. It came out yesterday, but because we had this plan for today, I'm just like, okay, let me just watch this today. and probably watch Flash during the week or something. But yeah, and I'm really mad that I didn't take you guys with me because I wanted to vlog everything. Like, the theaters was so nice, and it's like less than 10 minutes from my house. Like, and I don't know why I've never went there before. Like, from the outside it looked trash, but when you go inside, that's why they say they will judge a book by its cover. Because yeah, so this the fit, and I got this pants from H&M, and I kind of did this like, you know, cute little style. I don't know if it's given. I thought it was. Oh well, but yeah. Hey guys, happy Friday. I don't really have much to do today. Y'all, tell me why when I came back from Jamaica, right, I had to go back to the court because I had got a ticket and I had went before, but they told me that they need proof of insurance. And then when I gave them proof of insurance, they were like, okay, they need insurance letter. Okay, boom, no problem. So they gave me a new court date now, saying I must come back with the letter. So now I'm here thinking today was actually the court date. Tell me why the court date was Tuesday. So anyways, I called them yesterday. So I'm telling her like, I missed my court date. The lady was like, oh, your license is gonna be suspended. I'm like, wait, hold on. Like, is there no way like I could reschedule? And that's when she was like, you could just bring the letter in today and blah 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 blah. But I'm like, that's crazy. Like, over a letter, like you're gonna suspend my license for that? Like, I came to the first court date, I paid my fine. No, why you want to suspend my license? Like, that's just bonkers. So I'm gonna have to go to Staples so I could print the letter, because I don't have ink in my printer and I don't feel like buying any, so it's only gonna cost me $1. Also, I wanted to stop at Zara, but I forgot that motherfuckers refurbishing the spot, and the other Zara that I know is way behind God's back, and I ain't doing all of that. But I'm trying to see what I could find online. I tried looking online last night, but it was not happening. Like, when it comes to Zara, like, the site does not do it no justice. Like, it never did and it never will. There's this one crochet shirt that I want. I see that the girlie is wearing it as a dress. I wanted that so freaking bad, and it's freaking sold out. Like, I don't like that for me. Like, what is going on? Like, could y'all stop buying the stuff that I need? So this song right here, I just stopped and got some flat fried chicken with curry goat gravy and some plantains. This looks so freaking yummy.
Don't got no one that been calling me splurge. Let me jump right out the curb. Get this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of big purse.
Well, you know.
Young got no one that they wrecking my nerves. I'm at the floor, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm.
Oh my god, that was so good. Alright, man, so we're going home. We're going home.
Back at it. Smoking the sky, this shit starting to hit like it's cracking it. The boy got rockin' me sleep at top like a crack at it. 2X just in TED Talk, niggas pathetic. Back at it. Back at it. Vegetable up and like getting the drip that I'm on. This is the thing that I get, nigga, you tell me who on. Gotta go now, I can't roll on. I'm out of space and I hold on. In the spaceship, let it float on. Can't stop me now, nigga, hold on. Double up truck in this black, yeah. Don't wanna get him intact, yeah. I'm fly like the black like a bat, yeah.
I feel so bare without my lashes, but really and truly it's because I don't have any. I need to re-up. So my food is here. The driver just texted me saying they're outside. Hi.
How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Pretty good. So good.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. You too. Let me go give George his thumbs up because he was super pleasant. How do I do that? So I got chicken teriyaki vegetable with white rice. But I was just taping up this package because I need to ship it off tomorrow, and I needed to get to Jamaica before a specific date. Say that again?
Where is the label?
Oh no, express ship. I have to sign one of those, yeah. Woo! So they gave me a dismissal letter. Period. I forgot I took a Red Bull. Friday. Y'all, the time is so freaking hot. I don't know why I'm drinking tea right now, but it's 9:27 in the morning and I just got up. All I did since I woke up was make some breakfast for Madison. I don't think y'all understand how the heat is right now. And I know whenever I go to Jamaica, I always complain about the place being hot, but America heat compared to Jamaica heat, there's no comparison, honestly. And y'all, I didn't know Amazon be delivering packages like 5 o'clock in the morning, because I ordered some lashes. I ordered my lashes, this little cluster that I use. I think I ordered it day before yesterday. It was supposed to be overnight shipping, but it was delayed. But I was surprised when I woke up this morning and looked at the notification. It said it was delivered at 5 o'clock. So with my cluster, it comes with the bond and seal and also a pair of tweezers. I don't really use these tweezers to apply my lashes. I more so use them to pluck my wigs.